Well, finally today I have a job that I actually enjoy. We're cleaning up a place that's been sitting for years. Already done the mowing, at least some of it. The rest of it is just the cleanup. We've hauled 4 trailer loads of junk out of here, so I'm going to go to the back and try to gather up some more. Most of the garbage is gone. This is about all that's left from this side. The rest of it, well, it was quite a mess. This whole thing was one giant trash pile. Went all the way back. Tons of elephant grass, garbage, beer bottles. Big mess. All that's left is this little bit here, some glass. Looks like old pool filter of some kind. Some little bits of garbage, like an old truck toolbox. Not too much. Should be pretty easy to gather it all up, put it in a pile. Looks like it may rain. Not too bad. One more trailer load should do it.